I'm Jane Farrar from the School of Genetics and Microbiology, and together with Aiden Corvin from the School of Medicine, we're going to tell you today about our Trinity Elective on Decoding Genetics, the building blocks of life. You are made of 30 trillion cells, and inside every single cell you have got 3 billion letters of code. That's 1 million pages of a book or script inside every cell, and that controls every function in your cell. And when the code has mistakes in it, that's when we get diseases, lots of different diseases. And we're understanding that genetic code. We have the full code, and we can design therapies to correct that code. So during this elective, you will understand that world of genetics relevant to every single human being. And you will understand how we're correcting that code in disease and the other ramifications of genetic information for our society.
If you take this elective, you're going to learn about what makes you unique, your genetic code, and how that defines you as being a unique individual. We also use genetics at a much wider level to understand the history of society and trace from our distant ancestors and the origins of the human species to tracking traits and diseases within populations and within families over time. So it has implications at the level of our history as a species, within our populations, but also often devastatingly at the level of the individual, where genetics is important in identifying crime and this increasing area of forensics and genetics in forensics. So genetics has far-reaching implications across multiple different disciplines. And what is interesting for us is our technology has reached the point where we can now try to fix DNA. And this has obviously important bioethical considerations. So in this elective, you're going to learn a little bit about what makes you you, what makes you unique, where we come from as a species, and how genetics has had such an impact across such a range of different disciplines, from medicine to science to the law to bioethics, and where it's going and how fast it's getting there. So genetics has had a huge impact across such a range of different disciplines, from science to medicine to the law to bioethics. But what's really exciting and has changed, even in only the last couple of years, has been in our ability to edit and fix DNA and the implications that this has for us as a society. What we would hope is that you would take this really exciting course, and from this course, you will be able to contribute to what is a really important debate in society today.
If you take this exciting Trinity Elective, you'll be introduced to the world of genetics, an imaginative, colourful and powerful world that is relevant to every single human being and has enormous ramifications for our society.
So come join us.